Congratulations on purchasing the Arlo Ultra Plus Series 4K wire-free security camera from the nation's #1 network-connected camera brand. Arlo Ultra delivers ultimate peace of mind and is loaded with features including 4K video, color night vision, an integrated spotlight, panoramic view, noise-canceling audio, and more. Arlo comes in a variety of kit options. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Arlo Ultra Plus Series 4-pack camera kit. The kit includes 4 Arlo Ultra 4K wire-free cameras, the most advanced camera we've ever created. The cameras have a magnetic charging cable. The cable also wraps around the back of the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. Arlo Ultra's improved design lets you replace batteries from the front, so you won't need to move the position of your camera once installed. Just place them in the camera with the logo facing up and they'll last for months on a single charge. Arlo Ultra's modular design prevents accidental dropping of the camera with its built-in catch that catches the camera as it slides out from the base. There are 4 camera mounts included, 2 magnetic and 2 screw mounts to give you a wider panoramic view and even greater flexibility in positioning your cameras. The kit also includes all the mounting hardware you'll need to easily install the cameras on any surface at your home or business and be up and running in just minutes. Finally, the Quick Start Guide and the Arlo app will walk you through connecting your Arlo Ultra cameras to the SmartHub. There are also a number of accessory options available with Arlo Ultra, including a solar panel, a dual battery charger that charges batteries 15% faster, indoor and outdoor magnetic charging cables, and additional batteries and magnetic wall mounts so you can expand and upgrade your security system. Enjoy greater safety, security, and peace of mind with Arlo Ultra, the clearest choice for wire-free security. For an installation tutorial and other Arlo content, please visit the community pages at arlo.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.